All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model, this beautiful silver with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, roof racks, alloy wheels, and fog lights. Very nice, only 38,000 miles in this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have some road chips, if you can see that. Some curb rash there on the front bumper. That's all, typical of any vehicle. Of course, your hood looks good. Your fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing unless you get your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear sliding door looks good. In this quarter looks pretty nice. I do see a little ding right there. No paint off PDR work. Here's your rear driver's side rim. I don't see any curbing in your tire thread. Just at the line is 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I do not see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears. The rips looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. I do have one key fob combo and owner's manuals. My flash does that. Of course, you got your AM, FM CD player right here. Camera can focus. Boom. Got your backup camera. And your AC controls right down below. We'll turn on the lights here. Boom. That looks like. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 32,000. 32. What the hell? This is not the mileage, folks. Hold on. I'm going to do that. Boom. There's your mileage of 38,956. Very nice. All right, keeping it moving. We got some power buttons here. Open up the doors. Here's, of course, your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear running ACs and rear AC controls. A little power button there closes that. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Here's a rear trunk space, and what that looks like, this of course folds down and stow and go like the car says. Of course, your lift gate looks pretty darn nice. Yeah, your quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent right here. Some paint off about 1 inch. Here's your rear passenger rim. I do not see any curbing. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds. The sliding door looks good. This passenger door does have a little dent right there. Some paint off about 1 inch. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Hunk the little button closes that sliding door. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. To this one, front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing in your tire thread. It's on the 730 seconds. Let me double check that. That's correct, under 730 seconds. Lights are working, fog lights are working, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 38,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.